Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start in edit mode. You must choose edge or vertex select so Blender knows what to act on. Once done, Alt plus right-click picks a continuous loop. This is faster and more precise than manual clicks. Make sure to inspect the loop with X-ray or wireframe because hidden geometry can change the result. You want a clean loop selection before removal. Otherwise, you risk deleting shared edges or harming topology that supports adjacent faces. Now decide how to remove the loop. Press X or delete and pick Dissolve Edges to remove the edge ring while keeping surrounding faces intact. This maintains surface continuity. If you need an actual hole, choose Delete Edges or Faces, which removes geometry completely. Once you dissolve, inspect face normals and vertex count. Sometimes you should merge by distance or use edge collapse to tidy stray vertices. These choices affect shading and deformation. Finish by cleaning topology. Recalc normals with Shift plus N so shading stays correct, and run merge by distance to collapse stray vertices that dissolving often leaves behind. Once done, check for non-manifold edges to avoid export or simulation issues. If something goes wrong, isolate the area with local view and use undo to step back. You can also duplicate the object and test different delete options without risking the original. This keeps you efficient and prevents destructive edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.